Hello there, this is Michael Gio. Do you want to know more about how to make mushroom pills? Alright, check this out. The following video contains information about how to make mushroom pills. There is a lot of information out there, a lot of different companies that are making right now supplements or different mushrooms extracts and all that. And it has been very popular the last, I said, 5 to 10 years. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own mushroom pills. You can either grow your own mushrooms at home, dehydrate them, pulverize them, and then make your own pills, or you can actually buy the mushrooms if you can find them, these specific mushrooms, and then you can dehydrate them and create your own pills. These are the mushrooms that I recommend: the lion's mane or Ericium erinaceus, the oyster mushroom Pleurotus ostratus, the king oyster or Pleurotus eringi or ingi, shiitakes or Lentinus edodes, and probably the most important one of all, the turkey tail or Termites versicolor. After you grow the mushrooms, buy the mushroom, or find them in the wild, you would need a dehumidifier. And you set it up the way that, per the instructions of each instrument. In this case, take a look at how I set it up. So I put all my specimens in here in this dehumidifier, and pretty much you need to get them completely dry. Next, you need to grind them. In my case, I found very useful a regular blender. After you have them completely pulverized, then you pretty much are ready to put this powder into the pills. Next, you will need the pills and also the machine in order to fill those capsules. The machine that I use is called the Capsule machine from the company Capsule Connection. The pills that I use, or the capsules that comes in different sizes, are also from Capsule Connection. They are not paying me for this, but everything that I use is from Capsule Connection, and I would leave you all the links in the description. The pills that I use, or the capsules, are 100% gelatin, and they are USA made. Now we need to load the machine with the pills. The pills have two parts. The upper part is called the cap, and it's a little bit larger in diameter than the lower part. The lower part is called the body. So load the pills depending of the sizes and obviously the machine that you're using. Here you can see the two different sizes. You continue filling it until the actual machine is completely loaded. Now get ready to use your powdered mycelia. So in this case, use very clean utensil. Please do this in an area that is clean. At this point, you don't necessarily need completely sterility, although you need to be very clean doing this. It is recommended to use gloves. In this case, you're seeing that I'm not using glove, but it is recommended. You don't want any other particles that get into those pills. At this point, you want to push as much of powder as you can into those holes, and that is why you have this other part of the machine, which is pretty much to push all the fungus, in this case the powder, into the the pills. As you can see, we put a lot of them, the powder, inside the pills. I would use the spreader again and then push back again. And then you continue doing this until you pretty much see that you cannot put any more powder, compressed powder, into those pills. You can add more depending on the amount of powder that you need. Remove the excess because now you need to cap those pills. Then you use the other parts of the machine that has the cap, and then you cap them. You compress that using this mechanism and pretty much press very hard in just one motion. And after that, you would have all those pills completely capped. Now that you have them all capped, remove it from the bottom part, and now you would have the body of it. So get a container, release them, and you would have all the pills ready to go. It could look labor intensive, but I'm doing it slowly to explain it to you. But you can make a lot of pills in just a small amount of time. You might encounter mushrooms like turkey tails. When you create a powder, it's like cottony and it's like very light. So you can use something to help you to push the mycelia into the pills.